Morning, guys. YouTube people, world, wherever, whoever. Welcome back to Half Fast 719. Back home. It is Wednesday morning. Back home, back at it. We're working on the first gen W250. See, I got the front end jacked up, so I don't do the Cali squat or something. Anyway, it's fighting the hood. So this is what happens when you are tired and wore out. So the last couple videos, or last week, whenever I was working on the truck before I had to go to work, I'm assuming I was so wore out and so beat that when the kid in me put the hood and fenders on, I don't know if you guys noticed, but anyway, couldn't get the hood over there on that side to like come down. It wanted to stay up in the back, so I had to push it right there on the back. Anyway, I'll show you guys real quick. I popped the hood this morning and I heard I was like, that's weird. So this side has this spring and this side has that hinge. So yep, two different hinges. Anyway, ow. I guess I don't need that. Get to that in a second. That hurt. Cut me open. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna have to take this hinge off of this fender and swap it over. Meow. Anyway, as you can see, what I just kicked and dropped and just cut me open. That's fun. That's the backside anyway. Yeah, we got some brackets finally came in from Torque. T-O-R-Q. T-O-R-Q, I believe. Let me look them up just to confirm. Don't do that. While I'm doing this, don't forget to go check out my other video, super clean. Why is it doing this? Why is it not? Oh. Check out my other video to give away. They're going to be giving away some super clean. So whoever, well, I guess I can't walk and chew gum at the same time. Anyway, they're going to be giving away, man, I can't remember what the company's called. My kid ordered it, so, Torque Performance Nutrition, oh yeah. And, let's do Big Break. See, this is how you guys do it. Instead of doing links, you type in Torque Big Break. Torque Big Brake Kit. B-R-A-K-E. Like break, not break like gonna take a break. Okay, so it's called Torque Motorsports. Anyway. So yeah, this is the bracket we ordered, or the kid ordered, to convert it to 4th gen big brakes. So it gives you a 14-inch by 1.5-inch rotor instead of like a 12-inch rotor. Anyway, we have all the parts for it, I believe. I don't know if we need a brake line adapter or if we're going to need lug studs, so that's what I'm here today to do. I got the brackets painted, as you've seen. Yeah, so I'm going to rip the tires off real quick, and hopefully we don't need a bunch of bearings. This wheel does seem a little loose, but yeah, I think I can hopefully, well, we'll see how it is. We'll tear it apart. I'll tear it apart and yeah, go from there and see if it needs bearings or not. Bearings and seals and bears and tigers, oh my. But anyway, yeah, So I worked, busted my butt for 8 days, and oh sorry, 7 days out there up in Stockton, and so I don't know if you guys know how my job works, but anyway, I put a bid in to bid off to leave that gang, that group, and now I'm going to New Mexico. So next on Monday, so today's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 5 days. Monday morning I gotta leave, head to New Mexico. It's a 12-hour drive, so yay me. But whatever, that was my choice. Anyway, while I was gone up there, I ordered a bunch of fluids and stuff. So this liquid moly anti-friction engine treatment, I'm gonna throw a can of this, pretty thick. I'm gonna throw a can of this in that first gen in that Cummins, and then these are mostly just for the Audi. Probably throw about half a can of this into a new filter for the first gen. They were having a sale. This company, AZ, I can't remember their name. But anyway, ended up getting all this stuff, this particulate filter junk, just to try to keep my EGR system and stupid stuff on this Audi clean. Obviously, I'm not going to dump it all in. But yeah, they were having a sale on the liquid moly stuff. So I bought liquid moly grease, multi-purpose grease. Yeah, which is what I'll probably use on that first gen on the front bearings. Anyway, kid cleaned the toolbox, or put away the tools, clean the tools and put them away while I was gone, because I didn't have time. I had to go, and I was still working on his truck. Anyway, yeah, spent a little bit last night and a little bit this morning fixing this stupid jump box. When we moved the truck a little bit, it fell off and it broke the power supply on this. So I had this other jump box that I found in Colorado, and I tore all the pieces apart a long time ago. They've been sitting there because I use this little air compressor. This is a little air compressor. I just use it to air up my little aerosol can. Anyway, I've had all the parts there, and it had a power supply, so I stole the power supply, and that's what I got. So Porter 5.0 for the win. So anyway, once I get the brakes and everything on, as usual, I'm not going to do a teardown. I'm not going to do everything. There's videos, Torque Motorsports. You can go, I'll put a link for their website. You can go to their website. You can find a video that they have, how to assemble it. It's pretty basic, other than doing the bearings, packing the bearings, and tightening that wheel bearing nut. But they do go into detail, so you can go to their video. I'll put a link to their website, but basically my video will be of them installed and the steps and processes I had to go through, because I guarantee you they're going to be different than what their video says. So because their video is all on the bench, everything's clean, everything's brand new, they slap it together and they say, okay, it's good. But they don't do any of the grease packing. They don't do the turning of the spindle. The spindle has to be turned like 1/8 of an inch, but I'm going to try to demonstrate, I guess, how I'm going to do it, or how I think I'm going to do it when that time comes. So right now I'm going to tear these wheels off and tear these brakes down. Also, Decent Garage wanted me to do a breakdown of this Hydro Boost, like parts and everything. So if you're watching, it's basically, I'll do a video, but it's basically just 2005 Hydro Boost hoses and Hydro Boost unit, and then you just have to drill holes for the Hydro Boost unit, which that's the whole pattern. Go ahead and pause the video and print that out. Just kidding, guys. Anyway, there's a gasket on the Hydro Boost unit. That's where I made this copy from. I took the gaskets, a little rubber thin gasket. I took that gasket, threw it on a piece of cardboard, traced it out, and that's the pattern. So that's D for driver, P for passenger, and yeah, it went on the firewall like that. So yeah, you can do that, but I'll do a whole video anyway, because you know I got plenty of time to build America and keep America running, since China wants to take over with these electric vehicles. Anyway, I'm not getting into any of that. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. I got work to do. Like I said, I'll do a breakdown. I'll pull all the packaging for part numbers for the Hydro Boost stuff, of what I bought, what I did, and yeah, we'll go from there. So anyway, alright, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, do what you guys do. Go get entered. Just all you got to do is find my video for the super clean giveaway. Leave a comment. I'll put names, all the names, into a randomizer. Randomizer will select a name. I send that. I'll email you or message you. You send me your address. I send your address to Super Clean. Super Clean will ship you out the 2 products. Anyway, go check out that video. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Later.